Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make computer in Infinite Craft. So let's get into the video. Open up Infinite Craft, and once I've opened up, so we're going to start off with earth. So add earth with wind, and that's going to give you some dust. Add it with earth again, you'll get a planet. So this planet, add it with planet again, and that will give you a star. So this star, add it with some fire, and that will give you a sun. So the sun again, you add it with some fire, that will give you a solar. So now what we're going to do, this solar, we're going to add it with planet. So we're going to add that with planet, and that will give you a system. So now that you have a system, the system, what you're going to do, you're going to add it with the fire again, and that will give you a computer, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy to get a computer in Infinite Craft. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.